When you get out into the bush where we're going, you see a modern society nestled in that rugged frontier of the wilderness, you know? Because they're so far removed from the rest of civilization, we're gonna meet people who are very resilient, that spent their entire life overcoming adversity, learning how to adapt, living off the land, and being very self-sustainable. They're all survivalists deep down inside. But you have supply chain issues or you have storms, you can lose your heat source, and then you can be in a whole world of hurt. We've got to stay warm or we die. Coming from Canada, I'm used to the cold, but it is a different kind of world out here. As a general contractor, I spent my whole life trying to become proficient in a variety of different trades. I ended up making videos and helping people out that way. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to paint like a pro.
And if you can build a shed, remember, you can build a house.
Instead of helping one person at a time, now we're helping tens of thousands of people every day.
Good morning.
Morning.
You must be Jeff.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to the Willow Ranch. Moose rib.
Is this like a local tradition?
Yes, this is how you welcome someone. You can do it.
That's fantastic.
We've got more.
Please don't tell me the tradition is I have to eat it all.
Welcome to Willow Ranch.
So Gina, what's it like living in Alaska?
It's Alaska. It's
Right.
all good. My grandparents homesteaded in the 30s, so this is home.
Willow Ranch, it's a hope project.
Well, Community Resources supports people that experience developmental disabilities. This is a 70-acre subsistence supported living farm. We take care of 4 gentlemen here.
I'm Thomas. I'm Brian. I'm Jacob. I'm Carly.
Out here, they get to do things, hands-on stuff.
Right.
They're out here living a lifestyle.
Well, I think it's awesome what you're doing out here to help these young guys. What do you say we get down in the car? You can take me on a tour of the property.
Sure.
We can talk a little bit more about all the challenges you face up here.
All right.
That'd be great.
Fantastic.
We bought the place in 2006. It was off the grid. We just had generators and batteries. And over time, through fundraising and donations, we brought in power.
Yeah.
And up here, that's the main house where the 4 gentlemen live. 1,000 square feet on each side. It's 2 bedrooms. And one of the problems we had is our heating situation.
Okay.
We put baseboard heat registers in that had to have recycled well water.
So it was a radiant heat.
But the earthquake shake up, our wells get dirty.
Yes.
So we had to go with diesel or propane because of our power source. Now propane, as you know, when it's cold, doesn't move.
No.
It's useless.
Right. You've got power here now, and that'll give you options. Well, thanks, Frank. Appreciate all that. Now I understand how your systems are put together and possibly what we might be able to do to make some improvements.
Okay.
Okay.
We can do that.
Brilliant. All right.
Ducky, ducky, ducky.
Hey, Thomas.
Hello.
Oh my goodness, they're huge, dude.
Ducky, ducky, ducky.
Which one is your favorite?
My favorite is Coho. My brown male here, and Chinook and Trouble. She was Trouble from day one.
I love it. Frank was telling me you guys got a lot of snow.
Oh, the winters are brutal sometimes, and usually we're staying inside, and there's a lot of snow. We gotta plow, we gotta shovel, we gotta make trails. So yeah, it's getting pretty cold.
I'm really looking forward to seeing inside your house here. Oh, Thomas, I love your pad, buddy.
Oh, thank you.
Why don't you show me around?
This is me and my roommate Jacob's side. This is my housemate Kelly's room.
Living room, dining room, kitchen.
Yes.
Okay. And you used to have baseboard heaters. Now you have
Toyo stove.
this one stove. Oh, wow. So we're relying on one unit to blow all the warm air for the whole building.
Yes.
My goodness. Do you wear a hat and jacket and shoes in the house?
Sometimes yes.
What's it like in the bedrooms and bathrooms, especially like when you go to take a shower?
You gotta leave the doors open so the heat gets into the rooms.
All right. That's interesting. Wow. What do you say we take a look at the rest of the house?
Sure.
Oh, yeah. Love your room.
Oh, thank you. I decorated it myself.
Awesome. Very cool.
Thank you.
Hello. Hello. I'm Jeff. Nice to meet you. Brian.
This is my hobby. This is what I do.
I'm a puzzle guy too. Did you do all these?
I'm the puzzle king.
That's apparent. Yes. This is very cool. Wow. So all of the rooms that have baseboard heaters, none of them work?
No.
Okay, hasn't worked for how long?
For years.
This is it.
That's correct.
Your windows, do you guys get ice on the windows?
These windows, they freeze in the bottom.
Wow. Well, that's quite a window. You should have Arctic rated windows here. We can check to see how the drafts are blowing through here with a simple match. Here we go. Whenever we're working on fixing inefficiencies, we have to look at reducing the energy, putting it where it needs to be the first time,
Yes.
and then keep it in here
Yes.
and make it more comfortable. Oh, anything else I should know about? Wow. Oh, here we are. Look at this. Okay. All right. And so this is our boiler,
Yes.
and the earthquake took out your heating system.
Yes.
Gotcha. That's quite a collection of issues going on here.
Oh, yeah.
Let's take a look at this back door. I'm noticing a lot of water damage around the door.
Yeah. During the winter time, a lot of snow and ice comes in through here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You're totally missing the flange underneath here. You don't want to have ice in here.
No, 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 definitely not.
Oh, my goodness. Your heating system is up front.
Yeah.
Your hot water system is in the back of the house in a room.
Yeah.
So it's constantly in a freezing environment, trying to make warm water for your shower.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
It's a bad plan. We're gonna have to do something about that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right, Thomas.
Yes.
I really want to take a look at what's going on in your crawl space.
Just pull up on this lever.
Okay, 2x4 ladder.
Yes.
I'm right at home with that. That's awesome. Let's go have a peek what we got going on underneath there. Wow. Yeah, this is a completely unconditioned space. There's no insulation in the floor joists. So in the wintertime, it's gonna get almost as cold in here as it is outside. Oh my goodness. Homes like this for a lot of years have depended on fossil fuels, but times are changing, and folks up here, they really need an alternative that is lower cost, more reliable, and more efficient. I started researching about the heat pump technology because I've got my own experiences, and some of them haven't been good. Thanks, guys, for joining us today. I just wanted to talk to you real quick about Willow Ranch. We got a 2,000 square foot home in an Alaskan climate. What kind of heating system do you recommend we install here?
Jeff, I think that a 4-ton Midea cold climate model.
Can you guys just talk to me a little bit about your technology and why it surpasses my expectation?
The good news is with Midea, the day of Grandpa's heat pump is over. Through the advancements and the innovation and the technology of the compressor, we're able to, through enhanced vapor injection, pull far more heat from the outside space and move it inside. So if you get extreme colds, we've got the auxiliary backup. So 100% heat output at -4 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yep.
We actually do better than that.
And I think also the algorithms that we've developed, both controlling temperature-wise, but also airflow, to adapt to whatever the installation is and provide enough airflow to optimize the system and the way that it works.
Well, that's awesome, guys. Listen, I appreciate it. I'm looking forward to seeing this thing operate in action because the bottom line is if it can perform in this environment, it's going to be able to be like a game changer for a lot of people relying on fossil fuels.
We're very, very, very proud of the performance.
Thank you very much, Zach. Thanks, David.
All right, thank you.
I think this is the way that people are supposed to live. Gives you meaning. Every day you got a purpose. You getting that spare hands?
Yeah.
Let's go. Take that out. There you go.
Okay, beautiful.
As a contractor, you've got a lot of different generations of different kinds of building construction. And you can't just put new technology into an old house and expect it all to work wonderful. We've got to make adjustments to the house that'll work together to enhance the way the house operates. My main goal is to find a way to bridge the science that we're bringing in and to make sure that we don't just put in something new, but we build a brand new, better system. Now you're getting insulation in here, just your body heat starts to heat the space up.
That's good.
Amazing. Keep up the hot, sweaty work. Hey, Kelly, having some trouble starting the ATV here?
I think it's too cold.
That's tough. It's that cold, you can't even get your machines to work. First freeze of the year. Oh, here we go. Oh, okay. That works better than the ATV.
Oh, yeah.
So that's the snow coach up here?
Yes. We take that for
people with disabilities.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
This is kind of scary, actually. As long as we don't roll this thing, we're gonna be okay. Wait, feel every bump. Oh. The only thing missing in this coach is the source of heat. This is like a frontier community because everything that they need to survive and to thrive has to be brought here. So there's a certain element of dependency on the rest of the world and their supply chain. It makes the cost of living here very expensive. So one of the things we're here to do is to try to find a way to help lower the cost of living by getting them reliable, efficient way to heat their homes.
You will need to pressurize.
By installing this brand new technology, we can have a primary source of heat that is going to work in every single day of this climate to produce cold in the summer and heat in the winter, regardless of the temperature fluctuation in this extreme climate. Not just a product, but we can create a better way to live. All right, guys. Kelly, Brian, Thomas, Jacob, thanks for letting me into your life this week. This has been a pleasure getting to know you guys. We're really excited to show you inside the house. Now, we can sit here and chat all day long, but I don't know if you're like me, you're freezing. So what do you say we get inside and take a look at this place?
That sounds like a good plan.
All right, boys, let's go. There we go. All right, you ready? Welcome to your new home. Come on inside.
Oh, wow.
Check this out. Look at this.
It's really good. Oh, wow.
That stove is gorgeous.
Uh-huh.
Beautiful. And you got a brand new fridge.
I love the fridge.
Go check that out.
This is fantastic.
Have you ever seen anything like that?
Nice. I love it.
Through the whole dark, cold winter, you guys can have some fresh produce. Okay, now we got to go turn the heat on. You ready for this?
Yes.
We're going to make this house nice and warm.
Let's do this.
All right, we'll kick on the heat, see how our new system works. Fantastic. You have new ductwork coming through the floor. Every bedroom's going to have its own heat source now. No more do you have to rely on the old unit pushing heat into your bedroom from across the room.
Oh, wow.
And that way you can be in charge of your own heat.
Yes, yes. I love my heat.
Okay.
I love it. No more frozen windows.
Which one of you likes to cook the most?
Obviously.
Do you all agree?
I'm a pretty good cook. Yeah. I make a pretty good ranch dish.
A ranch dish?
Yes. It involves rice.
Jacob looks like a superstar.
Summer sausage.
Okay.
Sharp cheddar cheese.
Right.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So proud of them.
Fantastic. It's getting kind of comfortable here already.
Yeah. Yeah.
Me too.
All right, what do you think? We sit down on the couch and relax. Ah. What are they cooking up over here?
A shot of grouse this morning.
No kidding. Good for
Didn't
you.
want a game bird, so I'm like, I'll go get
All
one.
right. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
You don't disappoint. There we go. I'll look at I'm making a mess. I use a hammer for a living.
It's all good.
I just wanted to say, guys, that the last few days have been amazing. You've really impacted my life. Learning how to be a real Alaskan. You've touched my heart. I got brothers in Alaska now, and this is awesome. Listen, spent the afternoon doing some work at the other house. Got an extra surprise for you.
All right.
Let's go over and take a look at this thing. Yeah,
right.
let's go.
Come on, girls. Let me go this way. Oh, look. Oh, wow. We've got our own deck with a fire pit. Look at that. I did not expect that. Let's go up on the deck. Well, you sit
Now
on
you
that
guys
chair.
got a space to hang out if it's nice outside.
Yeah.
That is so cool. See, it was worth all that distraction and chaos, wasn't it? We had some good friends and good people and got a nice fire. That was a good day, a good week. Thomas, they're calling us.